In today's video, I will teach you how to change brush sizes in Gimp. Let's get started. Efficiently controlling brush size is crucial in image editing, and Gimp provides various methods to achieve this. While keyboard shortcuts offer a quick solution, creating custom brush presets and customizing shortcuts can significantly enhance your workflow. Here's a detailed guide on how to change the brush size in Gimp. First is by using keyboard shortcuts. Press the left bracket to decrease the brush size and the right bracket to increase it gradually. Then hold down the Shift key while pressing the left or right bracket to adjust the brush size more rapidly, multiplied by 10. Now, we're going to use the tool panel settings. Explore the brush settings for your selected tool in the tool panel. Customize size, aspect ratio, and angle for precise control. Brush dynamics can impact brush size significantly, so experiment with these settings. Now we're going to create custom brush presets. Open the Brushes panel by navigating to the Windows menu, Dockable Dialogs, Brushes, or use the shortcut key Ctrl-Shift-B. Click the Create New Brush button in the Brushes panel, and the brush editor will open, allowing you to edit the size and other options. Save the preset and access it easily in the Brushes panel for quick switching between custom sizes. Now we're going to customize brush shortcuts. Open the Edit menu and select Keyboard Shortcuts. Select the size and locate the relevant settings. Click the middle shortcut column for desired command to change. Spin the mouse wheel in the desired direction to set the new shortcut. Then click Save to apply the changes. And for an alternative brush size control, consider reassigning the mouse wheel to control the brush size instead of zoom. Customize your shortcuts to better fit your workflow by remapping the keys. By mastering these techniques, you gain complete control over your brush size in Gimp. Whether you prefer keyboard shortcuts, custom presets, or personalized shortcuts, incorporating these methods into your workflow will enhance your efficiency during brush-based retouching tasks. Regular practice will make changing brush size a seamless part of your editing process, resulting in a significant boost in productivity. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.